Hello, I am Vaibhavi. Today we are discuss vouching audit of payments, cash receipt audit of purchase, audit of ledgers. Explain the vouching audit of payments, cash receipt audit of purchase, audit of ledgers. Vouching is a fundamental audit procedure where auditors examine individual transactions and follow the audit trail from the original source documents to the final recorded entries in the financial statements. The purpose of vouching is to ensure that transactions are valid, properly authorized, and accurately recorded. Here has how vouching is typically applied in various areas of an audit. Audit of payments. Objective to verify that payments made by the entity are legitimate, properly authorized, and accurately recorded. Procedure. Examine supporting documents such as invoices, purchase orders, contracts, and receiving reports to confirm the validity of payments. Trace payments entries from the cash disbursement journal or bank statements back to the source documents. Confirm that payments are in compliance with company policies and applicable laws. Audit of cash receipts. Objective to verify that cash receipts are properly recorded, deposited, and in compliance with the relevant policies and regulations. Procedure. Examine source documents such as sales invoices, cash register tapes, and bank deposit slips to verify the legitimacy of cash receipts. Trace cash receipts entries in the cash receipts journal or bank statements back to supporting documents. Confirm that the internal control over cash handling and recording are effective. Audit of purchases. Objectives to ensure that purchases are valid, properly authorized, and accurately recorded. Procedures. Examine purchase orders, suppliers' invoices, receiving reports, and contracts to verify the legitimacy of purchase. Trace purchase entries in the purchase journal or accounts payable ledger back to source documents. Confirm that purchases are in accordance with company policies and that discount or allowances are correctly applied. Audit of ledger. Objectives to verify the accuracy and completeness of ledger entries. Ensure that they reflect the underlying transaction accurately. Procedures. Select a sample of ledger entries and vouch them back to the supporting documents to confirm their validity. Performs analytical procedures to assess the reasonableness of ledger account balances. Confirm that proper accounting principles have been applied and that any estimates or provisions are reasonable. Throughout these auditing procedures, auditors are looking for evidence that transactions are accurately reflected in the financial statements and are in compliance with relevant accounting standards and internal policies. Vouching is an essential part of the audit processes as it provides assurance about the reliability of the financial information presented by the audit entity. Thus today we discuss about its sector. Hope you understand concept of vouching, audit of payments, cash receipt, audit of purchase, audit of ledgers. Thank you.